Good morning.
Hello.
Ooh ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. I asked Jared to sing a song. I asked Jared to sing a song. And then Jared, he sang along and he sang.
Your turn.
And he sang. La 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 la.
Ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang.
Ooh ee.
Ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ting tang walla walla bing bang.
Nice job.
When she first came in, I had a student who was basically learning the value of the coins and those kinds of things. And so the song she would sing, we used to do the same thing while we were working with him for his goals. With Jared, I've seen great improvement with him on using his devices, and a lot of vocalization has come from, you know, the ah sounds and stuff like that.
With more than 7,900 students with disabilities in the Cypress-Fairbanks Independent School District, Harris County Department of Education provides support to this growing student population through occupational therapy, physical therapy, and music therapy. Ann Petty is one of 2 full-time HCDE music therapists assigned to work in Cy-Fair ISD. The 18-year veteran therapist travels to multiple campuses throughout her day to provide small group and individualized services to students with special needs. Through an individual education program created for each child, Ann determines the individualized needs and how she can use music to support their educational program in the classroom.
Yay! Awesome! He stopped. Now let's try it one more time.
There you did it.
And stop. All good. Good job, guys. Yeah.
Students that Ann typically works with have autism, intellectual disabilities, or various health impairments. Oftentimes, these students have trouble focusing and communicating on their own. It is the goal of therapists and special education teachers to keep these students engaged and open to learning.
You know, with the students that I'm working with now, say, one, getting them to the rhythm, something that's motivating, I think, for the student primarily. You know, the music itself, the melody in combination with the rhythm provides a great deal of support and, I would say, you know, encouragement for the student to engage. There's, you know, it promotes a certain intention and focus, which there again helps to facilitate the skill.
Yeah. Sound true to form.
Goodbye.
There you go.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Jared. Music time is finished.